Hey there, creative geniuses. Welcome back to my design den, where we make magic happen with just a little bit of DIY fairy dust. Today, we're diving into a treasure chest of DIY secrets that are gonna have your friends like, wait, you made that? Let's be real, there's nothing quite like the feeling of someone complimenting your decor and you're like, oh, this old thing, I totally whipped it up myself. The best part, these projects look like $1 million but won't break the bank. We're talking high-end vibes on a DIY budget, baby, so get ready to unleash your inner DIY rock star because I'm about to share some seriously genius hacks and easy-to-follow craft ideas that will transform your home from basic to OMG. Where did you get this? Trust me, you're going to want to pin these ideas for later. Alright, design lovers, let's kick things off with a DIY project that's all about turning a plain Jane mirror into a glamorous statement piece. You know those boring builder-grade mirrors we've all encountered at some point? Yeah, we're going to give one a serious glow-up. For this project, you'll need a round mirror, some thick rope, hot glue, and a pair of scissors. First, create a stunning frame for our mirror using the rope. Attach the rope to the back of the mirror with hot glue, making sure it's secure. Begin wrapping the rope around the mirror, securing it with dabs of hot glue as you go. A little bit of imperfection adds character and makes it look more handcrafted. Once you've covered the entire frame, trim the rope and secure the end with more hot glue. Now step back and admire your handiwork. This DIY mirror is perfect for adding a touch of rustic elegance to your bathroom, bedroom, or even above a console table in your entryway. Let's be real, who doesn't love a beautifully scented candle? But those designer candles can seriously drain your bank account. Good news, my DIY darlings, because today we're making our own luxurious candles that look and smell like $1 million without the hefty price tag. For this project, you'll need soy wax flakes, wicks, essential oils, glass jars, a double boiler, and some wooden skewers. First, melt the soy wax flakes using the double boiler method. While the wax is melting, attach the wicks to the bottom of your jars using a dab of hot glue or a wick sticker. Once the wax is completely melted, carefully pour in your chosen essential oils and stir gently. Carefully pour the scented wax into your prepared jars, making sure the wicks stay scented. Use a wooden skewer to pop any air bubbles that may appear on the surface. Allow the candles to cool and harden completely, which usually takes about 24 hours. Once they're set, trim the wicks to about 1/4 inch. You've just created your very own collection of luxurious designer-worthy candles. Not only will these DIY candles add a touch of elegance to your home, but they also make amazing personalized gifts for your friends and family. They'll never guess you made them yourself. Get ready to add a touch of magic to your home with this super cool and surprisingly easy DIY floating bookshelf. This project is perfect for adding visual interest to any room and creating a whimsical, "Are those books actually floating?" moment. For this project, you'll need a hardcover book, an L bracket, screws, a drill, and a stud finder. Use the stud finder to locate a stud in your wall where you want to hang your floating shelf. This will ensure your shelf is securely attached and can handle the weight of the books. Hold the L bracket against the wall where you want to place your shelf and mark the screw holes with a pencil. Use the drill to create pilot holes at the marked spots, then screw the L bracket securely into the wall. Open your chosen hardcover book to about the middle and slide the bottom part of the L bracket into the book, ensuring the top part of the bracket is flush with the back cover. And there you have it, a magical floating bookshelf that will have everyone wondering how you did it. Feel free to stack more books on top, creating the illusion that they're defying gravity. Let's be honest, coasters are a must-have for protecting our precious furniture from those dreaded water rings. But who says coasters have to be boring? Today we're adding a touch of luxury to our coffee tables with these stunning DIY gold leaf coasters. For this project, you'll need plain tile coasters, gold leaf sheets, sizing adhesive, a soft brush, and a sealant spray. Apply a thin, even layer of sizing adhesive to the top surface of your tile coasters. Let the adhesive dry for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it becomes tacky to the touch. Carefully place a sheet of gold leaf onto the tacky adhesive, gently pressing it down with your fingers or a soft brush. Don't worry if it doesn't cover the entire surface perfectly. The imperfections add to the charm. Once the gold leaf is applied, use the soft brush to gently remove any excess gold leaf, revealing your stunning gilded coasters. To protect your masterpiece and ensure it lasts, apply a few coats of sealant spray according to the manufacturer's instructions. These DIY gold leaf coasters are the perfect way to add a touch of glamour to your coffee table or bar cart. Your guests will be so impressed they'll think you splurged on a designer set. Marble trays are all the rage in the design world right now, but let's be real, they can cost a pretty penny. But don't worry, my DIY divas, because I'm about to show you how to create a faux marble tray that looks so real. No one will believe you made it yourself. For this project, you'll need a plain wooden tray, white acrylic paint, grey acrylic paint, a small paintbrush, a mixing palette or plate, and a sealant spray. First, apply a base coat of white acrylic paint to the entire surface of your tray. Let it dry completely before moving on to the next step. On your mixing palette, combine a small amount of grey acrylic paint with a little bit of water to create a wash. You want the consistency to be thin and watery, similar to ink. Dip your paintbrush into the grey wash and lightly flick it onto the white surface of the tray, creating random, abstract patterns that resemble the veins of marble. Don't be afraid to experiment and layer different shades of grey for a more realistic look. Once you're happy with your faux marble effect, let the paint dry completely. To protect your masterpiece and make it extra durable, apply a few coats of sealant spray according to the manufacturer's instructions. You've just transformed a basic wooden tray into a stunning faux marble statement piece that looks like it came straight out of a high-end furniture store. Your guests will be none the wiser. Get ready to add a touch of luxury and coziness to your living room or bedroom with these super easy DIY velvet throw pillows. Velvet instantly elevates any space, giving it a sophisticated and inviting vibe. For this project, you'll need velvet fabric, pillow inserts, fabric scissors, a sewing machine, and straight pins. Measure and cut your velvet fabric to create 2 identical squares or rectangles depending on your desired pillow shape. These will be the front and back panels of your pillow cover. Lay the 2 fabric pieces together with the right sides facing inward. Secure the fabric pieces together using straight pins. Sew around the edges of the fabric, leaving a small opening for inserting the pillow insert. Be sure to backstitch at the beginning and end of your seams to prevent them from unraveling. Turn the pillow cover right side out through the opening you left, and give it a good press with an iron to create crisp, clean seams. Insert your pillow insert, fluff it up, and voila! You've just created a luxurious velvet throw pillow that looks like it came straight out of a designer showroom. And there you have it, my DIY dynamos. 6 incredible DIY projects that are guaranteed to make your friends jealous and have them wondering, how did they do that? Remember, the beauty of DIY is that you can put your own unique spin on everything. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors, patterns, and materials to create truly one-of-a-kind pieces that reflect your personal style. So, go ahead, unleash your inner DIY rockstar and transform your home into a haven of handmade chic. And don't forget to share your amazing creations with me on social media using #DIIwithinvest. Until next time, happy crafting.